Hi guys, welcome. Wanted to go over how to assess the potential for improvement in a business that you might be looking at. The first thing is an obvious problem without any industry knowledge. Basically, you look at this business, you look through the reviews, you look through the website, the advertising, and you see obvious things that can be improved. That would indicate there's a room for improvement in that business. The second thing that I look for and that you can look for is that it can be fixed with a monetary investment. Ideally, by spending a little bit of money, you'd be able to improve this fairly drastically, right? You don't want something that takes 5-10 years to improve. That might not be enough time for you. The loan's due this month, not in 10 years, right? So you need something that can be fixed with money or with effort, but not 5-10 years of improvement, right? That's too much. More than likely, you won't be able to improve it that quickly. And so that would not be a good area. But as long as you can be fixed with money, you're good to go. The third point on this is if you see a lot of complaints around a certain issue, maybe it's a return policy, maybe it's the greeting that they received when they came in the store wasn't good or wasn't there at all, or it takes too long to get a product to a customer, so maybe there's a process issue, right? Many different things. But if you can implement, or if you see these three things in a business that you're looking at, it's good news because it means that, hey, there's a problem here. Maybe it's been going like this for 10, 20, 30 years. I have the opportunity to come in, listen to what the employees say is a problem, and then offer what a potential solution could be based on what you've observed through the business acquisition process, which you probably had 6 to 8 months to observe it, right? So hopefully that helps. Have a great rest of your night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.